Hi, this is Carole Conlon, and we are on our third attempt now to give you your dowsing tip number 2. And today's topic is about getting permission to work and to know that this is probably the most important thing you can do when you're working with a pendulum. The pendulum gives you access to a lot of different information, and sometimes people or spirits are busy. They don't want to be interfered with. And when you do start dowsing, connecting with them, a lot of them can feel that energy, and that will make them unhappy. So what you want to do is always ask those 3 questions: may I connect, can I, and should I? And that if you get yes answer to all 3 from spirit, that gives you permission to go ahead and ask your questions of that soul. Now, there are 2 uh, areas of thought. I've had one teacher who said that you don't even pray for someone unless you ask them to their face. And the other way to go is to ask their soul, their spirit, if it's acceptable to connect. And so I subscribe to the second version. If the soul gives me permission and I get the may I, can I, should I, and a yes to each, then I go ahead and I can ask my questions and I don't feel bad. If I want to do corrections, make some changes, while I'm working, I feel that I do have permission. So may I, can I, should I? And it's good to ask even when you're working on yourself. So always, this is the polite way to douse. Do it. May I, can I, should I? And we'll see you tomorrow for the next tip.